I will do this portion in English. It's Insta360 Stitcher. It's how I post the footage. I don't use H264 and H265. I use ProRes. I think it's better, and it don't compress the material. As I'm shooting in 8K and 3D or more, I need the whole footage fine. So let's see. I have this portion. I will pick just a bit of it. It's here, and Titan. Okay, it's here. I will preview the shoot. I need just like 10 seconds of it, so I will get 120 and 130 just to show how this works. Okay. In the stitch area, I put left. I always do this one. I don't like this one. I like this one. So in the stitching mode, I always use the new Optical Flow. I think it's better than the Optical Flow. And this one I don't care. I just care about this one. The next one, I always pick slow. Blender type, I put auto. I don't play with these ones. Sometimes when I have problems, I come back here and I see how to change them, but I don't. If the camera is on top of a car, I put this one, but if not, here, like this one is fine. And then this one I always pick the highest quality, is lowest, but I have a really strong computer, so I always pick this one. I don't use this one. Sometimes if I can see the shooting and I can make changes, I use that one. But with 3D, I'm almost sure. Yeah, you can see this one, but you cannot move a lot of things. Just probably sometimes. And I don't move the just if I have a problem or something, but I mainly don't use this one, so no. Okay, it was 120. I do use this one. I put one. We saw the clip, so it's 120 to 130. Yeah, that's the 10 seconds I need to show you how this works. And then the footage comes in 8K, but because it's going to the Oculus, I need to go 4K. I can do 5K and 5.2 and 6K, but the Oculus do not read them fine. I did a lot of tests about it, and it's 4K the better choice. I record it in 8K, so I have the highest quality possible, but I put it in 4K, and then this one, you guys use this one. I don't like it because it compresses too much the footage. I use this one, and this one is terrible. So just the ProRes. And I don't use these ones. Everything that is H264 or H265, it's compressed footage. So I won't use those ones. I use this one. So I have a ProRes and ProRes, and then the camera shoots on 30, not 29. This is something weird of the Titan. They give you the default on 29.97, but the camera shoots on 30. So I prefer to move it to 30, and that's it. And special, yeah, that one special is good. Export to WAV, no, I don't move that one. I just give my footage here. Let's put a post one just to show you how I do this. And that's it. The output folder, and play. This is normal, and there we go. We go to the completed one and open the folder. The footage is there. and this can go in the Oculus and it's fine. But if you want to cut it, I use Final Cut. I like Final Cut for 360. I don't like the other. I do have a DaVinci Resolve Studio, but I don't use it. I don't like Premiere for this. I use this one for 360. Get this one, and now yeah, file new project. Now we know 360 demo. It's 360. Yeah, no, this one is not 380. Let's put this one 30. This one's telescopic. Now we can do it like that. And I like this one. Sometimes I like this one if I need a lot of quality, and if I don't have a lot of disk space, this one is fine. I don't like this one. I always use this one. And yeah, 709 is fine. And then okay, then I just put the project there. If I need to make cuts, I will do the cuts. In this project program, I have a 360 patch that I can use, and I can play with this and delete the tripod if I want to delete the tripod, and that's it. It's super easy to use. Final Cut is super nice for this. That's it. I don't have the tripod anymore. I have a sphere, a perfect sphere. I have it in 4K for now. I can do it in 8K, but I don't want to print it in 8K, and that's it. And then I will just, if I want to cut it, I cut it. If I want to make it smaller, I can do whatever I want in this thing. And then share, normal, demo, settings, video only, or video or an audio if I want to add audio, and that's it. And next, and that's it. And video Titan post, and I will just print it like that. And when I have it, super important. Okay, let's close this one. And when I have it already, I have it here. Here is the demo, the demo. Here's the original, and this is the demo. I need to move this one MOV to MP4. That's it. And then I can move it to the Oculus. And with this change, Oculus can read. If you would leave it as MOV, it won't work. You have to move it to MP4, and that's it. That's about it. Tell me in comments if you do it, and that's the only thing that I know that it works, and works pretty well.